Okay. Good morning, guys. My name is TLVN Sai Kumar. Today we are going to discussing about Odata services. So I will show you entire real-time scenario. Okay. Okay. My name is TLVN Sai Kumar. Today we are going to discussing about Odata services. Okay. This is the content. Today we are going to discussing about the. So exactly what is OData service? It's an open data protocol. Open data protocol. Okay. This is the open data protocol. Why we are going to use this thing is it is a gateway services. It is used to transfer the data from front end to back end and vice versa, like API. It's application programming interface. So like web services, like okay, like web services. Okay, you know about ALE, IDOC, like BAPI, like proxy. Okay, so like fury, fury, like a front end application system. So OData services are API which will be used to the communicating with front end system to back end system, like third party systems we can communicate. So OData service will convert into the data into JSON format, JSON format, XML format. These is the advantages of API, of the executing to the APIs, like which where the third party is understanding the data without SAP knowledge, like a background. So the T code is to the maintain the alias names SPRO. What is this T code? Okay, you can maintain the some alias names. I will show you the architecture of OData. Architecture of the OData. Okay, see, arc of OData. What is OData? Open Data Protocol. So first thing, I will take one for this is our SAP ECC system. This is our OData. It is a central hub. This is our SAP UI5. Okay, this is like mobile. This is laptop. This is PC. Okay, this is third party system. Okay, you understand what I said? Okay, just a minute. Now it's fine. So I will take one more system. This is SAP CRM. This is SAP BW. Okay, so now see, this is SAP ECC, whatever we are using that system. Now next, this is OData. OData. Okay, now next, what is this UI5? Next, this is like mobile. I think you know mobile like a front end. Mobile. What is this? Laptop. Okay. What is this? PC, like a personal computers. Okay. This is third party any system. Okay. So thing is, what is this? SAP, CRM. Okay. Now next, this is SAP BW. So my intention to whatever we are implemented the SAP like ECC system. If you want to implemented anything, if you want to do any application through ABAP only. If you want to make an application through ABAP, but ABAP can't accept this mobile application, laptop, PCs, third party. That's why we are going to use some Odata services. What is do? I will tell you. Okay, in SAP ECC like this. Okay, I will take this thing through ABAP. What you do this Odata? Now it's communicating through UI5, because whatever mobile application, laptop, PCs, third parties can understand UI5 can accept this particular UI5 technologies like browser technologies. You know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all those things. Okay. So for an example, this word data, what you do, it is converting to the XML, JSON formats. Okay, like XML or JSON. You know JSON? Okay, that is the front end related technologies. So what is word data right now? It's like a central hub. It's like a central hub. Central hub. So now next, this UI5 communicating with these applications like mobile, laptop, okay, PCs. Okay, now next third party systems like tablets, all those things. So now next, this word data is communicating like CRM technologies like this. Okay. So what is doing right now is connecting to the with alias names only. It's connecting. It's connecting. It's connecting with alias names only. Okay, this is the main point. If you want to connect this any system only for alias names, this is the architecture. Okay, are you understand what I said? This is if you want to make an application in SAP, you have to implement it through ABAP. But unable to understanding this mobile laptop, this third party systems, this ABAP. That's why we are going to using some interfaces like OData. This OData acting like a central hub. This OData is converting to the ABAP into XML like JSON. The XML is can use by by using these like UI5 technologies to make an application, mobile application, laptops, PCs, like third party systems. If you want to connect the particular OData through alias names only. So I will show you one more architecture. For an example, For an example, our S4 system. This is our S4 system. Okay, like S4 backend also Odata, Fury. When this application, when like this application, see. So when we are taking the S4 system, is automatically inbuilt OData services and Fury also. So when like this application system, data will be hacked. So and it not secured. Here we access all T codes of the application system. Okay. Now next we are going to one more scenario. Okay, this is one way. Okay, I will show you one more scenario. See, this is S4 application, this is OData service, this is Fury like a front end. So now I want to communicate Fury to OData, Fury like OData to S4. Okay, like this is S4 application. Okay, this is a OData, this is like a Fury. You know Fury? I will tell you in the next videos. Clear? So this is, so when like this data will be secured when the third party access S4 systems only by using the trusted RFCs. Okay. Here we want to access all T codes. So one project treated as a one application. It's like an interface. Okay, clear. So in this main scenario, we are going to discussing about some operators. What is operators? Like a curved queue operations. What is curved queue operations? I will tell you. Okay, just a minute. It's a operations. Okay. So what is C? What is C? It's a created data. What is R? What is R? Like a read data. Here read only single data. What is U means update data. What is D means deleted data. What is Q? Query data. Query data. It is nothing but a read data will multiple data. Okay, read data is a single data, query it's like multiple data. So like building documents, vf01 vf02 like a change, vf03 displaying, I want to display the multiple data. So at the time of we are using the crowd queue operations. Okay, now next I will tell you one T code that is the most important T code, like SEGW. It is a SAP Gateway Service Builder. In this transaction, you can create the project here. AL11, AL11 for application system. So I will show you quickly how to create a Fury and as well as OData services. First step, execute is just a minute. Yeah. Okay, just a minute. everything is fine. So I want to create a project. SCGW. What is SCGW? It's a gateway service builder. I want to create one service builder. Click on create project. Provide one name underscore demo Odata service. Odata services demo. Okay. Click on local object. So before going to check these folders. So what is when we are creating the project, some folders it will be generated like data models, service implementations, runtime artifacts, service maintenance. I will tell you one by one. What is entity type? Here, so like a data model means, before going to what is the exactly what is data model, in the data model folder again we have three folders like entity type, association, entity sets. So what is entity type? Here we are going to create entity type in which format the data have to transport front end to back end, vice versa. Okay, vice versa. This will be same as a work area. Okay, clear? Now next, what is entity set? These will be creating by the default entity sets, or entity sets should have same properties like entity type. When we are creating the entity type, then automatically entity sets will be generated. Okay, what is association? Here we maintain our relationship between any of two entity types. Now next we are going to show you how to create entity types. Select entity type, click on right click. Now next click on create. Provide any entity name like first pay underscore dat, as well as select the checkbox like create related entity sets. It automatically one entity sets also generated like a cost to pay date set. Now next click on enter. Okay, see, entity sets is generated, as well as entity sets, and as well as entity type also generated. Now next, double click on the properties. Now next, I want to given some names as well as some fields also. Clear? So I will take some fields. Yeah. Customer. There is no problem. Select customer underscore no. This is primary key. Okay, what is the type? EDM type. This is the string, EDM string. Okay, I will provide some abap field Kunmar. Now next, material number. You know material number like a Matner. Like 80 number. What is this? This is also string. So I have it like a matnr. Now next, material type. This is also string idiom, string. Okay, what is above field? Like empty art, enter. Okay, see now next, order quantity, order quantity. Okay, what is this? This is the decimal idiom, decimal. What is above field? ZMENG. Okay, now next, order amount, this is also decimal. What is field? Just a minute. What is field? netweaver, enter. Okay, so I will give some ranges like precisions and scales. So in this precision 15, scale like 3, this is also 15, scale like 3. So this is not a mandatory, you can give your own values. Now next, see that errors has been gone. Now next, click on save. Okay, check everything is clear. Project jet sd underscore odata underscore site underscore demo has been checked, no errors is found. Now next, generate runtime objects. Click on generate runtime objects. See, we'll see there is no, see when we are clicking this one, automatically some service maintenance will be generated. Okay, I will show you what is going on the level of, after clicking generate object, generate. See, generate classes, class names, basic class names, technical model name, model versions, technical versions, everything is automatically populated. Then click on enter, then they will ask the package. Click on local object. See, the service implemented. See, everything is generated. Now next, we are going to check runtime artifacts. See, runtime artifacts. Okay, now next, this is the most important point. As soon as entity set b has been created and saved like a curly queue operations, this is also operate, some curly queue operators also generated. So service generated like mpc, like a model provide classes, dpc like a data provide classes, some service model names and services names. Now next, what we do? So we'll send some packages, everything is fine. Now next, we are going to service implementation. What is my service implementation? See, I select this thing, right click, go to abap workbench. So one information will be populated like operations cost underscore p underscore data set underscore get underscore entity sets has not yet been implemented. Now it will be implemented. Click on enter. Okay, now next, expand methods. See lot of methods is there. So now I will take this entity set. Okay, so depending on requirement, we can take different types of methods. Right now I will take the get purpose. So click on change mode. Right now, yeah, I commented this one. Okay, control then next I'll write some select query. Select bbak alias name like Kunar. So I will use some inner joins, that's why we are giving some these things like bbap2 will take matnr. This add order must be following that particular table order. Mara through Mara will take empty art. So whatever we are given some order, so that order must be follow, otherwise we'll get some errors. Now next bbap ZMENG. Now next netwr through bbap netwr from bbak as bbak like inner join bbap as bbap on. We are doing some inner join like new syntaxes. bbak underscore alias bbln equal to bbln as well as inner join mara as mara on bbap matnr equal to mara matnr. Now next into table at the rate et entity set up to 10 rows. Clear. We'll check, save, check. Yeah, that is warning, there is no problem, that is not an error. Activate, click on enter, everything is fine. Now next steps to activate services in the gateway server. Steps to activate services in the gateway server. Now next we are going to one big T code. I will tell you. ZN /n IW FND /NAIN T underscore services service only. This is the main code, this is the main T code. Okay, this is the T code, main T code. Click on enter. Yeah, see, this is the active and maintenance services. Okay, now next click on add services. Provide system like a local. So click on the add services button, the generating gateway services like a backend. Thus specify your backend systems like alias. Every backend will have alias. So alias has been configured into the backend systems. Okay, so if we don't have the separate gateway services, if you are central hub like a front end and back end systems in the same systems, like alias would be like a local. Now next we are providing some technical name, whatever we are given that particular technical name. What is our technical name? I will check. S SEGW. So this is our project. Extend. See, double click on this one. This is our technical name. Underscore demo underscore SRV. Okay, just I copy this thing. I will add this technical service name. Click on enter. Then automatically the technical service name and service description automatically pop up. Now next select this thing. Select this thing. Okay. Add selected services. Click on add selected services. Now it will be automatically asking some package assignment. Now then click on enter. Then click on enter. Services was created. Its metadata was loaded successfully. Click on enter. Then automatically it goes. So like I will tell you clear cut information. Yeah. This is project. This is SAP gateway. This is like SAP CRM. Like project SAP ECC. Okay. At the time of project we are using SEGW T code. This is service generated. It is a service generated. What is this SAP gateway? It is a SAP gateway. So in this time we are using one interesting key code. I will tell you. See, the most important key code. We are using this key code. This is also one type of key code. As well as we are assigning some alias names. Alias names. Okay. So this is like SAP CRM, like ERPs, all those things. Now next, see, this is being loaded. Next we are going back, again this code executed. Now next click on select, provide provide our technical service name. Click on enter. Now select this thing, and click on gateway client. Now next, click on entity sets and select entity set name. Okay, now we can choose any http method like a post. This is the get method. We are getting to the data into the database, that's why we are given some get method. Now next, click on execute. Execute. See, status code like 200 is successfully XML file is generated. I want to display through browser. Now just to like a response in browser, click on this tab, then automatically entire XML file it will be generating through the browser. So just we check. So like we are writing some query na, like just see, customer number, material type, order quantity, order amount. So then automatically it will be displaying like this order. Now next, this is the customer number, material type, order amount. So automatically we generated. So entire 10 up to 10 records it will be generated through XML. This XML will give Java people what we do as an ABAPer, as a SAP ABAP consultant, as a technical guy. I will generate this particular XML or JSON file. This JSON file will give you our third party technology colleagues like Java peoples, .NET peoples. They will, they will do through that particular technology. So now these XML can anybody easily understand. So that's why we are using the OData. For example, BAPI. So if we give the BAPI, that third party technology guys unable to understand. That's why we are generating some XML files. That XML file will give like a third party guys. Okay. See you guys in this video. I think you are getting some knowledge about OData. Now next, these OData to use in UI5, how to build an application like a mobile applications, all those things, as well as we'll give some fiori tiles also the next couple of videos. Clear? I think I hope you are understanding everything. So thank you God. Thank you guys. More updates, please subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel. And if you want any doubts, please ping me. Okay. Thank you.